Woo. Guys, you guys have no idea what we're doing today. Before I start the video, take a look, guys. Riley is the one that's inside the garage this time. We still have no Stella, still doing paint, still going through all of her stuff. So while she's over at paint, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of love to the 3. Let me thank you guys for clicking on this video. It means a lot. Welcome back to another video, guys. We're gonna be showing the 3 some love today, interior wise. First things first, you guys. We got some wrap. We got some carbon wrap. I just got that for fun. But we also got some gloss wrap too. Now, I remember making a story stating what you guys think I should do with this front piece right here, this little trim part. I asked you guys whether if I should wrap it in black gloss or wrap it in that carbon wrap. And majority of you guys chose the gloss black. So without further ado, that is exactly what we're going to do right here. But before that, let me show you guys what I'm super excited about. Now, as you guys know, probably by the title of this video already, we got some carbon interior pieces for the 3. Oof, look at that, boys. If there's any other Mazda owners out there, I'll probably drop or leave a link of where I got this, so that if you guys do want interior carbon pieces, then you can go and grab them. So I cut out one piece of the gloss black, and we're gonna use this to put right on the trim right here. I'm probably gonna try both the carbon wrap and the piano black gloss wrap, whichever one you want to call it, just to see. Wow. Just to see how it would look with both of them. So let's clean down the area, because you always want to make sure it's nice and clean so that it sticks on well. Check it out. Now, it definitely isn't perfect because that trim has so much like little like divots and stuff inside of it. Makes it look like all lumpy and stuff like that, but there's nothing you can do about it because the actual like plastic itself is just all banged up. But other than that, from a distance, that actually looks a lot better. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the carbon wrap would look better, but you guys said gloss black, so you know what, we're gonna rock the gloss black for a while. And if I don't like it, then I can always just swap and switch to the carbon wrap, but we'll go with this one for now. Now it's time for my favorite part, the part I really care about, is putting this nice carbon fiber in to the car. Pretty much this whole carbon trim kit comes with like pretty much up here, this whole thing, that's what this piece is. This part goes for up here. We got a part for this part. We got a part for right here, here, and just all the way down and through all the way to here. So it's gonna be, so all of this right here is just gonna be all carbon. Of course, we do have the little trims right here, and obviously on the passenger side and in the rear side too. So it's gonna be all carbon here. Now, there was also an option to have a carbon piece for around this, but I never got it because I never really seen a point in getting that, so I didn't opt for it. But if you guys do want that, then you guys can go ahead and grab that. Now, of course, before we do anything, we're gonna go ahead and clean all the interior plastics. So of course, up there and just all down through here, just so that it's a nice surface for when we put on the carbon trim. So check it out, guys. Here's all the little carbon trims. We got a whole bunch of them up in here. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of these in, and we'll see the final result. Well, holy damn, guys, that looks way better. Absolutely beautiful. Like, it looks way cleaner in here, and just the carbon look. Also got the carbon piece on here. Kind of thinking about making this black, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, looks so much better. And now you guys can see the gloss grill. It looks a lot better too. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. The camera is literally about to die, so I'm gonna end it here. If you guys did enjoy this video, please smash that like button, give it a fat thumbs up, and yeah, let me know how you guys feel about the whole gloss wrap and the whole carbon pieces inside the interior. Do you guys like it, or should I just go back to how it was before? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.